Hey guys, how's it going? So, welcome to the weekly Shlog. This one's going to be a little bit different because I'm heading to Idaho in 2 days and I really don't know how much filming I'm going to get to do or time to edit. So for this week's Shlog, we're going back to a daily thing, and I figured let's just follow me through a day in the life of Morgan, if that's at all interesting. If it's not, you can just skip to the mechanical stuff. But here we are. This is my house here in Montrose. I'm not going to walk you through it, but I will show you, just so you guys know, there is where the Gospel Two Wheels happens and where I spend an inordinate amount of time editing and all that stuff for you guys. So, yeah, anyway, got to make a cup of coffee and then we're going to head to the shop. So here is my coffee rig for anyone who's interested. It is, there we go. A Rancilio Miss Sylvia and a Rancilio Rocky. I use Old Bisbee Roasters coffee. Not exclusively. I really like Black Rifle coffee too. And then lots of you guys have sent me coffee from all over, and it's all been wonderful. But Old Bisbee is just our go-to. My wife and I both really like it a lot. If you wonder why I drink so much coffee, partially is because I really like it. The other thing is, I used to have an alcohol problem, and I used to drink lots and lots of alcohol, and I have switched vices for something much more constructive. But basically, if any of you guys know addicts out there, you know that we basically need to be addicted to something. So instead of something that destroys my life, I use coffee. I already made some lunch, but I'm going to add some of this ridiculously good trail mix in to some pretzels. There we go. All right. Now we got to get Puppers into her vest. Lay, sit. Good girl. That's a good dog. Okay. To the van we go. So here's the garage, guys. It is a mess over there on my side because I can't park the giant van in there. So we keep everything else over here. But we do park Ruth's truck in here. I am a big proponent for using a garage for what it's actually for. But you can see over here that my wife, Ruth, is building that cabinet from scratch. I'm very proud of her. She's learning how to do it all herself. She built the entire thing from just pieces of wood. I'm really proud of her. And then that thing down there is for sale because we replaced it with something else. But anyway, we got lots of bicycles, got the RC airplanes, stuff, whatever. Anyway, that is all stuff that's going to go to Idaho. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go. All right, guys. I live about 10 minutes from the shop on the west side of town. And yeah, Doc and I are going to head into the shop. We'll meet you guys there. Okay. All right, guys, we're here. I got to push bikes out, as always. Honestly, one of my least favorite parts of my job. Usually when kids come and help out or someone starts new here, it's like their favorite part is pushing bikes in and out. It inevitably becomes their least favorite eventually. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it's definitely not that much fun, especially when you've got all that to deal with every day. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. All right, guys, so we got everything pushed out. We're rocking and rolling here. Sheets, splitting cases. Ooh, actually, this is a good one. So older CRFs had a nasty habit of that happening sometimes. So that's awesome. But we got a brand new case half for it. piston and get, anyway, whatever. So Zach is going to get that thing fixed up here soon. I, though, have an interesting one. So this is a 17 FX, yeah, FX 450, 350, 450, I don't know, whatever. FX Husqvarna, so same as a XCF KTM, and it does not run. It does this, but no power goes to the fuel pump. Fuel pump is working. Let me walk you through what I've done so far. So I got a new relay, which is a lot of times this is the problem, but we got a new one of those. Did not fix it. The relay is not clicking, so there's something to do with the power, I think, to the relay. And I can't figure out if it's the trigger from the motor. I haven't figured out yet. Whether it's the trigger from the motor to tell it when, the crank position sensor. Although I don't think that's it, because it starts and runs good when I jump these two wires, the orange and white red. When I jump those two wires, everything works like it's supposed to. Pump comes on, it turns off when it's supposed to. It clicks and does sounds. So I think that something is going on with the power supply to it. So let's dig into this thing and figure this thing out. This is going to be interesting. Hopefully we can get it sorted out today. That'd be good. So it could be a ground. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. Let's dive in. There's Zach Sheets. Zach Sheets is coming over here because I just got excited because I may have found the problem with the motorcycle, which is really, really, really cool that it's going this well. So obviously, seat tank, everything out of the way. If you guys don't know, the way these things work is there's a crank position sensor on the flywheel here, and it tells the motorcycle when to turn on the fuel pump and ignition system. And so it swings past that, turns it on, all that stuff. And it actually, what it does is it clicks this relay that then provides power to everything. So I just sort of explained that before. But anyway, couldn't get this, blah, blah, blah. So I take everything off, and I'm starting to look for power and ground things that might be off. So first thing I looked at was this is kind of janky, but it seems like it's actually connected. This goes to the kill switch, which I thought, you know, if something was weird there, that might be part of it, but you know, I don't think that's it. Then as I'm scanning down, I see this. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. And that is to a yellow wire that comes from the stator, and I believe, I'm hoping, let's cross our fingers, that if that's not touching, then we have bad things going on. So, yeah, let's plug that thing back in and see if we got love. Well, he's gonna have time because he cannot fix that motorcycle now because there's parts that we can go over.
Well, hopefully we'll have shit come in for Jose and Tori soon. There's cylinders.
Oh, I did get an email from cylinder people. I think a couple cylinders are on the way, but Jose, we need the parts for the cylinder to the power valve too. And tell him you get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we'll see. With any luck. Okay, pump ran. Yes! Stoked that that was that easy. That does make me very, very happy. Awesome. Every now and then, you win, and that's a win. That's cool. This guy's gonna be stoked because his bill's gonna be really tiny. I'm gonna go ahead and sell him that extra relay. I'll give him the other one he can have as a spare, keep in his backpack, because they do fail a lot. But that's awesome. Alright guys, that's really going to be it for the Shlog. I know we just had one thing we fixed. It actually was a pretty cool thing. I'm happy that we did it. We got it fixed. But yeah, it's the end of the day. I'm leaving Thursday, so day after tomorrow for a big trip to Idaho. So I'm gonna boogie. That's about all I got to show you this week. I hope that was interesting. Let's head home. All right, guys, we're heading home. Yeah, I know that wasn't a terribly interesting Shlog, although it was a good fix. I'm glad we did that one. That was cool to find out what was going on with that. But yeah, I know it's a short one. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys get out and spread the gospel of two wheels, and I desperately hope that what we're doing here at Highland Cycles is inspiring you guys to work on and get out and ride your dirt bikes!